Concealed carry handguns are a dime a dozen these days. There's no shortage of these easy-to-conceal sidearms, offering unwavering protection at an affordable and wallet-friendly price. But of course, why settle for less when you can have the best? Hey everybody, welcome back to Line 45. New guy Joe here again, and today we're going to go over the top 6 best expensive handguns for concealed carry of 2023. Make sure you watch until number 1, because it's one of the most amazing expensive handguns for concealed carry I've ever seen. But before we dive in, did you remember to hit the like and subscribe button? It'll help the channel a lot. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Number 6. Wilson Combat EDC X95. Wilson Combat is renowned for their impressive and impeccable craftsmanship, and this level of quality is greatly showcased in the Wilson Combat EDC X95. For nearly 5 decades, Wilson Combat has been producing custom 1911s, infusing these iconic sidearms with their signature brand of excellence and customer service. The EDC X95 is no exception, with its trademark reliability that will last a lifetime. This handgun boasts a length of 7.4 inches, a height of 5.2 inches, and a weight of 35 ounces. It's a single-action hammer-fired pistol that bears a high-capacity X-frame with swappable backstraps and trigger pad to suit the shooter's preferences. The unique X-Tac rear and front cocking serrations make it easy to grip and manipulate. The EDC X95 also features an adjustable rear battle sight and fiber-optic front sight, ensuring accurate and reliable aim. Its double-stacked 15-round mag can be upgraded to an optional 18-round mag. The lightweight trigger ensures smooth and precise shooting. While its heft may be a cause for concern, the EDC X95 compensates for this by reducing recoil and improving stability. While the EDC X95's weight and price tag is significantly higher than more, prospective shooters will be glad to know that the EDC X95's craftsmanship more than makes it worth every penny. Number 5. SIG SAUER P229 Legion. One of SIG SAUER's offerings from the Legion series. It showcases every nifty feature for tactical-orientated folks while maintaining the tried and tested reliability of SIGs. The SIG SAUER Legion comes in both single-action or single-action double-action versions. The P229 Legion is chambered for 9mm cartridges and comes with a 15+1 magazine. The ergonomic design of the G10 grip plates and enhanced front strap checkering provides ease and comfort, coupled with a firm and tactile grip. The P229 Legion features ambidextrous safeties, which can be swapped either sides to accommodate different preferences. Up top, the SIG SAUER P229 Legion comes with a built-in day or night tritium lamp sights that don't require batteries, ensuring reliable and accurate shooting in any lighting situations. The shorter reset for the trigger also translates to smoother performance and a sustained rate of fire without compromising your accuracy. While it's definitely heavier, the SIG's typical offerings, the P229 Legion maintains its brand's outstanding reliability and precision with a little extra something to make it stand out. For those with a spare $1,428 to spend, the SIG SAUER P229 Legion is more than worth the pricey investment. Number 4. Atlas GUNWORKS Ares 4.25. Atlas GUNWORKS is a recent addition in the 1911 world. Starting out small, Atlas GUNWORKS quickly rose through the industry and established itself thanks to their superb craftsmanship and reliability of their firearms, a notion made impressively clear by the Atlas GUNWORKS Ares 4.25. This 1911 pistol comes packed at 30 ounces, thanks to its whopping double-stacked magazine with a maximum capacity of 17 rounds per mag. The lightweight textured aluminum grip counterbalances its weight, while ensuring a comfortable and secure hold on the gun. This Ares 4.25 features a fiber optic front sight and an adjustable blacked out serrated rear sight. Of course, why settle for the default settings when you can take it up a notch? The Ares 4.25 comes with an adapter plate for attaching the sight of your choice. Additionally, the ambidextrous thumb safety adds a layer of customization and makes it easy for both right and left-handed shooters to use. One of the most impressive features of this 1911 pistol is the bull barrel, which comes in two sizes. The barrel can also be customized to bear vented ports on each side, resulting in better recoil and improved stability. The flat-faced adjusted trigger is perfect for those who are experiencing difficulties operating heavier triggers. However, with all these amazing features, it comes at a steep price. You better prepare your wallets because you'll need to fork over $6 grand for a piece. $6,000 for a single gun. Nevertheless, the impressive reliability and customization options make the Ares 4.25 a worthy investment. Number 3. Walther PPK. The Walther PPK is once again gracing us with its iconic status. The Walther PPK is a timeless classic. It's a staple of law enforcement and movies alike. It's stood the test of time for 80 years and has practically inspired the concealed carry craze. The Walther PPK's timeless appeal can only be matched by its long-lasting reliability and durability that has remained unchanged and unbothered. It has a length of 6.1 inches, a height of 3.8 inches, and weighs in at 20 ounces. Its frame is small and slender enough for easy concealment, which makes it ideal for everyday carry. It's a DA/SA handgun chambered for the .380. Each magazine can accommodate a total of 6 rounds. The smooth and crisp action ensures accuracy and reliability. Additionally, the fixed barrel takes the brunt of the recoil and provides superb control. Working in tandem, these two provide near-perfect performance, packed within its minimalist frame. It's worth pointing out that the heavy trigger pull will cause some significant delay and affect the overall performance. Nevertheless, the Walther PPK's long-standing reputation will ensure reliability and effectiveness. It's helped save James Bond multiple times and will continue to do so for you. It's the perfect choice for those who want a gun that combines reliability, durability, and timeless appeal. Number 2. COLT Lightweight Commander. COLT continues to improve upon the 1911 format, and the Lightweight Commander is a stellar demonstration of their hard work. It retains the 1911's iconic look, while also enhancing its performance to meet modern-day standards. With a length of 7.75 inches, height of 5.5 inches, and a weight of 27 ounces, the Lightweight Commander has a lightweight aluminum frame that makes it ideal for everyday carry. It's available in 45 ACP or 9mm, and it can hold 8+1 rounds or 9+1 rounds for the 9mm option. The Lightweight Commander boasts Novak white dot front sights and a Novak low mount carry notch rear sight, ensuring easy acquisition of targets regardless of visibility level. Its dual recoil spring system helps reduce recoil and extends the recoil spring life, enabling shooters to easily pump out 10,000 to 15,000 rounds before a quick trip at the gunsmith. The extended thumb safety enables quicker shooting, while the Black Cherry G10 checkered grips provide a comfortable and secure grip. The Lightweight Commander also features a drop safety system and ergonomic slide serrations that make for easy and quick cocking. With a price tag of $999, the COLT Lightweight Commander offers superior quality of the 1911 with the durability and quality that can rival the 1911 status. Number 1. STACCATO C2. Taking the top spot of the list is the STACCATO C2. The STACCATO C2 is a high-performance pistol from STACCATO, formerly known as STI. It's based on the modernized 2011 platform, which takes inspiration from the legendary 1911 series of handguns. The pistol boasts impressive specifications, making it a top choice for competitive shooters and firearms enthusiasts alike. It measures 7.4 inches in length, 5.6 inches in height, and weighs only 25 ounces. It features a doubled stack 16-round magazine chambered in 9mm and a crisp 4-pound trigger. The Staccato C2 is built with hand-fitted barrel, frame and slide and features precision machined parts. The slide is designed with side serrations for improved ease of use, while the aggressive grip texture ensures a secure and comfortable hold. It's also optics ready, allowing for quick and easy installation of red dot sights. The pistol offers a high rate of fire and boasts superb recoil reduction, ensuring accurate and consistent performance. With its impressive accuracy, high rate of fire and excellent recoil reduction, the Staccato C2 is a top-tier pistol for competitive shooting and personal defense. It's available at a price point of $1,999, making it an investment for those looking for a high-performance firearm. And that concludes this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of the best and boldest firearms in the market and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of the best handguns of 2023 and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.